Hey everybody, craving, cursing, cruising. Only a few days left now. We were in Reno this morning, went to the Triumph dealership so that Al could get a new chain put on his bike or get a new chain he could put on his bike. Not only do they not have any chains in stock, they only do a by appointment. So let's just say there was a little cursing going on. They did have one benefit. They told them where to go. Reno Motorsports. We went probably 5-minute ride. They were happy to see us. They were helpful. They put his new chain on, did a couple other things for him in about 30 minutes. They directed us where to go and have breakfast because our La Quinta rooms in Reno were less than stellar. They were polite. Breakfast was not happening. But we went out for Outback last night. We had a good meal. We had a good stay overall. Nothing happened to the bikes. Nothing happened to us. Ride today was good. We ended up in Pocatello tonight. So we were definitely cruising today. Just ripping down the highways. And not a lot of company on some of the highways. Surprisingly, they were pretty quiet. Even this evening, coming into Pocatello was quiet. I want to say that, we were craving an uneventful day. We pretty much got one after we left Reno. It was just a nice day of cruising and some nice roads, interesting roads, lots to see, and off we are. Now here we will be leaving in the morning. Rod's heading north to the cabin or the condo, and Al and I will be heading east to home. We won't get there though, not tomorrow. We're hoping for Miles City. See y'all later. Love ya. Bye.